Saving just a little bit of time every day can make a big impact on your life. Angie Hicks is here to walk us through some time-saving home projects that can make our lives easier.
If you're still pre-rinsing your dishes before putting them in the dishwasher, it's time to upgrade to a new dishwasher. More modern appliances don't require pre-rinsing. That's going to save you both time and water over the years.
Lawn maintenance doesn't need to take up a lot of your time and could be a good eco-friendly move. Ditch the grass and choose low-maintenance lawn materials like gravel, large rocks, turf, and native plants.
If you want to take on a larger project, consider swapping out your flooring for a low-maintenance option. Good alternatives include luxury vinyl as well as ceramic tile. These are easy to clean and easy to maintain and are much simpler to care for than carpeting or hardwood floor.
And installing smart features can make your life a lot easier. Consider setting up a voice command system to automate your lights or installing a smart thermostat that automatically regulates your home's temperature.
Remember, you don't have to do everything for yourself. You can always bring in pros to help clean your house, maintain your lawn, even wash your windows. Figure out what you enjoy to do and what you have time to do. Do those projects and save the rest for the pros.
Do you have questions about your home projects? Tweet them using hashtag #AskingAngi, and you may get some tips in an upcoming segment.